Hello everybody, welcome to a new video by Reviews on Anything. And today we're doing things a little different. You can see me putting cheese and milk in this pan that is on the stove. It is the Sternsteiger pan that I tested in a previous video. And this video is all about testing that pan to destruction. So this is the milk test to test the anti-stick layer of the pan. You can see it slowly turning brown. It's not on full blast, but it's on pretty serious heat. And this is sped up, of course, about 6 or 7 times. So in real life it's been on the stove for about 10 minutes and it is seriously burning in. Now this video is obviously for your viewing pleasure, but there is also a chance to win 2 of these pans because they are actually excellent pans by Sternsteiger. At the end of the video and in the description below I'll tell you how to win 2 of these pans that Sternsteiger will send out to you wherever you are. But you can see the milk settling in nicely together with the cheese. It is a serious burn-in problem if you would use, let's say, a regular pan. But for this Sternsteiger pan, no problem at all. I'll show you, it's been on the stove now for about 15 minutes. I'll turn the heat off and you can see I can just spew it out with a spatula, no problems whatsoever. So first test certainly passed. You see there's pretty much nothing left that I cannot get out with a paper towel. So, pretty impressive to see how the anti-stick coating that they engineered with one of their Swiss partners functions when the pan is still brand new and spanking clean. Then here I'm taking a steel drill to the pan, not much success on the bottom, but here on the inside you can see I can chip away a little bit, make some scratches. Even if I put my full weight on it, it barely scratches the surface, to be honest. I'll show you close up here how that works. You can see on the right a few small marks and the scratches on the top, of course. This again is sped up quite a bit, but I have to put my full weight on it and drill for several minutes at end to get any kind of result. So, not messing around this pan in terms of build quality. Not only the anti-stick layer is awesome, but also the build quality is absolutely solid. Alright, now it's time to get serious. Let's see what this pan can really take. I'm in my car. This is a 2015 Skoda Superb, so it weighs about 1800 kilos. Let's see how the pan fares. Alright, you saw the pan survive trial by milk, cheese, drill and car. There's only one thing left, and that is actually deforming it here on the pavement in front of my house. You can see that it does deform, and that is in the end of the pan. But this is one tough cookie, and certainly not something you want to do with your average pan. This Sternsteiger pan can take it no problem whatsoever, and it actually breaks my pavement. Now, I promised you a chance to win 2 of these pans. All you need to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe to my Instagram account as well that I'll link below, and we will pick a winner in about a week's time after shooting this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's always fun to test things all the way to the max, but like I said, the Sternsteiger pan is one tough one to crack and certainly a stern example of proper German engineering.